So hello everyone, I am just working on a project which is the humidity, temperature and the biometric pressure sensor module. I just using the esp8266 module for that and adding 3 sensors with it, and also create a web server in the Node.js and Express. So all the data which is esp8266 is collected, will send it to my local server, and every 5 minutes or every 15 seconds I can choose between which time duration I want. So depending on that, it's sending from esp8266 module, it's sending some data to my server, the local server. Now it's on the local server, so the local server collect the data and save it with the CSV file. So every day in between 15 to 5 seconds it's sending the data. So whole collected data I can using machine learning or using NumPy and pandas to plot this out, like graphical interface, how the temperatures get changing every day. So if I have the I collected data over a 1 year or 2 year, I can predict the next weather or in the climate change or everything. So here is the code. I will send it to the description, my GitHub link. So this is the code for esp8266 module. Okay, let's talk about some library that I use. I also I use 2 libraries. One is for biometric sensor and other is for the DHT, the temperature and humidity sensor. So I am using 2 library, which is I will share on the description. So the first one is DHT sensor library, then the middle one is for the setup the Wi-Fi, and the last one is for BMP parameter sensor. So after that you can go through the code. If there is any so this SSID and password you will set it to your router password, which is local network is also connected to. So after that you can just make this code as it is, and only change in this local server where your Node.js server is running. So depending on that you can change this IP address and the port number, so it will connect to the esp8266. Your esp8266 module can connect it to your local web server. So I will upload next video with the more advanced things added to this project. So, and one thing that I will show you the current running server. So I just go to the Visual Studio Code. This is my code for the local server. So I just run the server. So on the terminal you can see after 15 seconds is just taking the data, which is sending via esp8266 module with the post method. So you see the temperature, the biometric pressure and the humidity data is collected and send it to my local server. So I can use the Node.js for collecting all the data in the CSV format. So every day after 15 seconds or 10 seconds it will collect the data and save it to the CSV file. So that's how it's work. So in the next video I will make it more graphical, I think. So let's see. Thanks.